Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. I'm sorry, I was eating a grape. I apologize. My sugar's getting a little wacky and yeah. Anyway, I have the IPSY GlamBag. The regular one, $12.72 with tax. Shipping is free. Now, this is the smaller of the three, and if you want to see what I got, like I want to see what I got because I have no idea, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember if you are not subscribed, consider doing so. Give the video a thumbs up and turn on that bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thank you. Okay guys, you are not going to believe it. I cut the bag and everything and yeah, okay, it wasn't recording. I didn't open any products, I just dumped out the bag, but anyway, welcome back to Simply Steph. That's me, I'm her. So this is IPSY GlamBag. It is the smaller of the three subscriptions that IPSY has every month. And this one is $12.72. You receive 5 sample, deluxe, or full-size products, or a variation, a combination of all three. And they do have a beauty profile. Do they go off of it? I like to think sometimes, but you know, I like wishful thinking. Yeah, we're not even going to talk about it because seems like the last video I do or next to the last video or what have you, when I get super tired, because you know I film all at once, guys. And yeah, I could change my shirt. I was saying that in the last one that I wasn't recording. I could definitely get up and change my shirt, but I got the same eyelash shadow on. So what's the difference? Listen, when I get 5 boxes in a row, I film 5 boxes in a row. You know, I don't wait. You know what I mean? Unless it's a day I'm not filming or I'm busy or something, and then I will absolutely come home that night. Like right now, it is, hold on. It is, what time is it? Oh, 2:45 in the morning. There, oh, what happened? There you go. 2:45 in the morning, if you guys can see that. See my cracked, dirty phone? That's horrible. Oh, it just went out. But anyway, 2:45 a.m. on, I guess it's technically Thursday now. Hubby's at work. He gets off at 5, so I might get a few hours sleep, and then he's like, oh, just come get me. I'll come over to your house and we'll just sleep all day. I wish I could do that. That would be nice, but I can't do that. I can sleep a couple hours in the morning with him, but then I have to get up and do things. So anyway, says IPSY, getting back to that. Sorry. IPSY GlamBag, regular one, $12.72. I pay tax and my state shipping is free. And you get, like I said, 5 sample, deluxe, or full-size products. So let's do this again, shall we? What is that? Oh, that's let me take this out because this is what Carly also likes chewing on with the bubble wrap and everything. No. Okay, so there's nothing. Oh, my label right there. Okay, sorry guys. Like I said, I'm gonna link my stuff down below, my address, and I'm not getting a post office, so if you guys are in the neighborhood and you got my address, put me on Google Maps and come visit me. I don't know. Here's that piece. I'm so upset to my GlamBag Plus. I broke it. I didn't break it. I cut it. I cut it, right? Whatever. Anyway, okay. So, this is so cute because I got this far on the website and I stopped. So I saw this and I'm like, huh? But I didn't know what it was. But look, it's corduroy, but when you turn it around, it's the same like the GlamBag Plus. So that's so cute. I like this. And not only that, this is right where I just realized I wasn't recording. When I said, oh my gosh, and I looked up and actually the camera just went to a blank screen. I was like, what? What happened? Anyway, I checked and there was no footage. So yeah, and it does have this little IPSY emblem, and I think that's also cute. You can really see it. Okay, so that's the bag, and then as always, they always have the little, I don't know if that's leather or pleather. No, it's not leather, but it's stitched in there. Also nice. Okay, so let's dump out the products, and I think this card is in here. And again, the theme for IPSY for September is good vibes, right? Yeah, good vibes. Okay. We do not have prices for this one because they are sample size and it would be so hard to figure out. Okay, so I was allowed to choose one product. I don't remember which one it was. Maybe when I see it, I will remember. I don't know. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have them all in front of me. Hang on one second. I'll get my glasses. Hang on. The heck was that? Okay, guys, I had to like freshen up my lipstick because listen, that Color Pop Ultra Matte, whoa, it is dry, worse than the Anastasia, what's it called? They're kind of like this. I thought they were kind of almost the same colors. They really are close, but This one is, the Anastasia is super, super matte. I don't know, it's like really dry. Anyway, excuse me, my voice. Okay, so I have my glasses, and again, we did the bag. Now, I did pull up the website. I want to see if I can like see anything about these little products. Okay, so I do have 5 things in front of me, and the first thing, which is, I did not choose, they did. This is the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Now, anything with collagen, as you know, I have said it many times, if I put it on my skin, I tend to break out. Although, that was one brand, and now I don't know. This is Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum, 100% vegan and cruelty-free right here. It is a pump. Okay, I actually have a littler size one than this, believe it or not. It's a itty bitty bitty mini, and I don't know if it's, I think it might be lotion or something, but it's really small. It's way smaller than this one. This one says, let's see, I'm going to tell you what it says about it on here. Formulated with vegan collagen and potential anti-aging formulated with, okay, what? With vegan collagen and powerful anti-aging multi-peptides. It does say here why you'll love it. It says your skin will drink up this hydrating serum that leaves you looking dewy, glowy, and gorgeous. The skin formula is infused with a powerful blend of peptides, like I just said. And then it doesn't give a price, but there you have that. Now it doesn't say anything about the price. So there's that. A serum, I mean, if it wasn't those, it didn't say collagen on there, I'd be like super just splashing it on my face. But I have to look into this. Now, the second item that we see here is from Purelyce, and I do love this brand. This is Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream, SPF 50. Vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid, color correcting, brightening, and age defying. Okay, so that is right here, and I don't think it's going to tell me anything more, but we shall see. Why you will love it. Your morning beauty routine is about to get a whole lot simpler. This 4-in-1 CC cream moisturizes, color corrects, brightens, and protects skin all at once. Wow. Okay, so I'm awesome. Has this got a well, it's got a seal on it. I wanted to try it and see. I'm definitely going to give this a go because I love Purelyce. I have Purelyce everywhere. I even have the cleansing milk over there. I mean, yeah, definitely a Purelyce person. I didn't get the bag, the AIA subscription when they had, you know, when the full box. I wanted to, but remember, on a no buy, so I couldn't do it. And I wanted that Jeffree Star palette, so that's why. So yeah, and so this just says the sheer buildable tint evens out your complexion and disguises dark spots, redness, and breakouts while looking totally natural. So that's awesome. 15% vitamin C helps brighten, and thanks to the SPF, you're good to go. Infused with super, I can't say this word, humectant, I guess that's how you say it, hyaluronic acid, and this oil-free cream moisturizes skin for all-day hydration. I am so down with that. Okay, that's the second product. Now, we have the Real Her Confidence in My Glow. Listen, I'm going to have to remind them that I opted out of highlighters, and they have sent me so many highlighters. You know, you're allowed to say, I don't want one product. And, you know, until you change that, you're not supposed to get any of that product. Occasionally, they say you might get one, but I've been getting one almost every time. And why can't I open this? It's freaking me out. Okay, hold on, guys. Wow, I hate when I rip them, though. That's why I don't want to do that, really. Oh, my gosh. It's not taped either, so it's not that. Okay. Come on. Really? All right, there you go. Now, this is from Real Her Confidence 3 in Glow, whatever. Let's see. Confidence. Oh, it says no 3. I don't know what. Carly, really? She just took the whole bin down. The whole bin down. Carly, stop. Hang on, guys. 1 second. Shh. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Real Her Confidence in Confidence in My Glow. Holy crap! If I could say the word there. All right, let's open her up. So this was the packaging, like I said, right here. That's what it looked like there. Okay, and then you do have the, what is that? Is that, oh, it's like a marble outside. I was saying, what did I get on there already? But oh, sorry. It comes like that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, why isn't my phone working? I don't know. So when you open it up, yeah, I swear I got this before. If I didn't, I got something almost identical to it. Let's see. Let me just hold it like this so you guys can see the color. There you go. It's definitely a goldish, yeah. Definitely not, even if I wanted to use highlighter or use it on a regular, this would not be the shade I would go for. So it does say confidence in my glow highlighter. I don't know. I think this might, I don't know if this would be considered a full-size product. I guess it'll say, because these two were not, that's for sure. So let's see. Come on, my phone is so slow, it's ridiculous. No, it doesn't say anything about full size. It says why you love it. True to its name, a few, I put it back in the box. What? True to its name, a few sweeps of this shimmery highlighter makes you glow like the goddess you are. Okay, there you have that. Finely milled, light reflecting pigments give skin a soft, subtle sheen that looks totally natural. Okay, weighing in at 2.5 grams. Doesn't say full size, doesn't say anything. It just says about the brand, and that's it. And then I have to review it. Okay, so, which I'm going to tell them, please do not send me highlighters. I opted out. Okay, because I just have way too many. And then this is the cutest thing that I have ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen anything this small, guys. But you got to give them credit. I mean, they're able to put stuff in a tiny, tiny container. This is the, you know, I have never gotten this. If I did, I know I gave it right away because I've not seen this around, and it's not something you can miss with this color. This is the little tiny Big Ego mascara. So it is a sample size, of course, and it is from Tarte, the Big Ego mascara in black. I'm not going to even open this because, yeah, I'm not going to open it. I don't really have any use for this. I have 1,001, and this is weighing in at 2 milliliters. Holy crap. This is probably like a one-time use. I'm pretty sure, maybe twice, because it's littler than my finger. Okay, there you have this, and it just says why you love it. Fully loaded, flutter up or 16 hours. No, fully loaded, flutter up to 16 hours. We're here for that. What does it say? We're here for it. I don't understand what that means. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigment and gives them dramatic lip length and volume. Okay, so there you have that. Now, this would be, because it's the last item, so it must be the one I picked. And we have, it comes in a little bubble wrappy there. Now, let's see. This is, yes, I did pick this. I remember now. This is the Pacifica Desert Sun Matte Blush and Bronzer. Because you know me, I'm always looking for a good bronzer, you know. Why is my camera going all kinds of weird? I don't like that. Okay, what is it? I turn it? Let me see something. Am I turning them all the way? Oh, maybe that's why. Okay, let's see. That's better. Okay, so there you have that. That's what the packaging looks like. And let's see what this says. I don't know if this is a full size. It says you picked this. Yes, I sure did. Can we open it? Yeah, we can. Oh, my nails are going to break, I swear. I just broke one of my longest nails. I was so upset. I filed them down so many times, but... Okay, so this... Oh, it has a mirror on the back. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, awesome. Now, this says, why you'll love it. And there you have... Oh, look at that. That's pretty. That's really pretty packaging. Look at that, guys. Has little gold details, like little accents all the way around it. And that's so cool. Okay, so you do have a bronzing shade here, and you have a blush here. And it's kind of like... What colors are they? So, Desert Sunset. So, that's kind of like a peachy... I don't know. Is this full size? It doesn't say whether it's a full size or not, but I mean, it's pretty big. I don't know, but it has a mirror in the back. That's oh so cool. I mean, you could just, yeah, that's cool. And I do like it. I love the packaging. The packaging is really cute. Okay, so here are the colors, and I think I could definitely get away with that if it doesn't have that green tint to it, like the contour stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I'm hoping, but I do like that blush. That blush is definitely me. I can use that for sure. So we have that, and it just says, want to blush up and glow with a single product? This buildable blush and bronzer duo has got you covered. So there you have it, and it weighs in at 8 grams. So I don't know if this is full size or not. I'm thinking it's maybe a travel size. I don't know. Maybe it is a full size. I don't know. I wish they would say and then tell us the price, but they don't. So here you have that. It's the 5th one. And that's it, guys. And then, of course, you have the bag. So let's recap. We have the Amora Pacific. Is that what it's called? No, Pacifica. Okay, which is, you can find these at Whole Foods. This brand, Whole Foods Grocery Market, they have a beauty section. And this is a big ticket item over there, okay? They have a lot of stuff from this brand. I have a lot of stuff from this brand that I got in that Whole Foods yearly bag. I can't wait to get it again. Okay, so then we have the Purely CC cream that does 4 things in one. I'm all down for that. We have the highlighter that I'm, oh no, not so happy about, and we'll go in a giveaway. We have the Derma E Peptide Serum with Collagen, Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Kind of on the fence about this one. It might go in a giveaway as like an extra prize or whatever. And then we have this oh so cute Barbie size. And it's even Barbie pink. So it's so cute. I can't get over it. I think this thing is adorable. I'm not going to open it, but I think I'm never going to get rid of it. I'm just going to keep it just because. It's just so cute. Tarte Ego, Big Ego. Little Big Ego. Okay, it's the Little Big Ego Mascara. And then the bag, guys. So there you have it. So there is my IPSY for the month of September. I had to think there for a minute. Okay, guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and let's grow this channel. You guys, you know, the people who are new here, welcome so much. I'm so happy that you're here. We are absolutely crazy. I'm absolutely crazy. I can't speak for anyone else, but I know I'm crazy. Look, when the camera shuts off, this is me. This is so me. And do you see how when I get tired, how this eye, look, I look like I'm cross-eyed every day. This eye is oh so smaller. Now, if I just to relax, I can see how my lid, and plus I have lashes on, so it kind of looks like I have real, you can definitely tell. Now remember, when the X-Monster whooped my butt the last time, damn near killed me, he hit me with a baseball bat, and this eye, I have a socket in here. It's an orbital thing. It's fake. This is, so when they did my eye, they, you know, this is why this skin isn't as bad and crepey as this one, because this is the real eye. I always say this is a fake eye, this is a real eye. They pulled my skin up through my scalp and back behind my ear, and they were able to save my eye. I almost lost my eye. It's amazing that I can still see out of it. But anyway, I do have 2 separate colored, two different size eyes, and that is why. I did have a lazy eye when I was younger here, but now it's way different, and I'm getting really tired, so that's why. And these lashes are oh so big, they're probably weighing my lids down a little bit. Sorry, got stuck. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Please subscribe. So happy to have you here. Welcome to everyone, both youngins and people who have been with me forever. Thank you so much. Please remember, if you are down, reach out to someone. Please talk to somebody. You know, contact me. I'll listen. I'm a good listener. And I'm a very wise old woman. Also, if you're waiting to tell someone, you know, that you love, or someone that's special to you, the right time for something, please say it now, because, you know, you might miss out your opportunity. And I've been in that situation, and it's not fun. And most of all, to all of my family members, both new and old, please, oh please, in this crazy world we have going on right now, stay safe. Bye guys, see ya.